Hello guys. Uh, so for today we want to learn to create our daily activities timetable with Google Sheet. Because last term we was create our daily activities timetable with Google document, and now for this today we want to create them with Google Sheet. Okay. So prepare yourself and focus and attention because after this I give you a homework to create your own daily activities timetable. Okay, let's go. So the first, I want to screen first. Okay, so the first, go to your Google Drive, right? Go to your Google Drive or open your Google Drive, and then you find the folder. It's called digital literacy, like this, because the last previous lesson we create the new folder is called digital literacy. Okay, just open it, just double click. Okay, and then because we want to create a new Google Sheet, so just click right in your mouse and choose the Google Sheet like this, and they open the Google Sheet spreadsheet. Okay, so the first, before we start, you can create our the title is just type practice 02 term 2, because last previous lesson we create the practice 01. Okay, so now we want to create the practice 02. Okay, because we want to create our own daily activities timetable, so we need the main title and subtitle. Okay, so in the first column I want to create my daily activities timetable. Okay, and then the second row I want to create the subtitle is start from Monday until Sunday, like this. Okay, because this is the main title, I want to change the size more bigger, maybe. Okay, this is good, and I want to bold, and then I want to change to the subtitle, and I want to bold. Okay, and then we're going to create the our own table, because we need Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday. We need 7 days, so we need 7 columns. And don't forget to time, so we need the 8 columns, and then you can create the rows is maybe 10, so we need the 8 columns and 10 rows. Okay, so I'm going to count it. This is the first column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just enough 8. And then the rows is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe more, 10. Okay, just enough. So like usually after we select which one rows and column we need, so the next is we want to create the tables with the borders. Just click the icon the borders and choose the all borders like this. Boom, we have our table. Okay, so because this is the time, I want to type this is time, so this is Sunday, maybe. Oh no, just start from Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, and then Saturday, next Sunday, like this. So this is like usually the first row is called the header title. So because this is the header title, we want to change the font type. Like usually I use the maybe 14, and because I love the impact. Okay, and then the last previous we learned how to change fill the our color text. I want a blue, and then I want to fill the color, the table header title with the fill colors. I wanna, no, I wanna blue, but I want to change the text colors with, wait, into the white like this too. Okay, and then we want to arrange position like this. I wanna to add, just drag and to into your right. Okay, like this. And then after that, I wanna put this header tether into the center. Just select into time into the Sunday, and then go to the format align. So in the center. Okay, good. And then because this is our title, so I just wanna put into the center too. So the way is select the first column until the H columns, and then going the merge cell, because it's the merge all the columns like this, merge, and then you can put click the center align like this, and then doing again in the subtitle. Just select from the two second rows and start from the A column sampai H columns like this, and then merge cell and then put into the center like this. Good. Okay, and then the first it start like usually I start in AM, jam 5 pagi, and then so you just put what the time you wake up in the morning, and then you doing your activities, your school activities, until you sleep and you rest in the tonight in night. Okay, just put it, and then I'm going to PM, and then PM, and then PM, and then so this is for just for example. So this is my daily activities. Okay, so this is my time, and you can put in the center like this too. Okay, and then if you want to bold, you just click the control and bold. And then from the Monday, you want usually Monday I'm pray in the morning, or talking with God. Okay, and then the 6th I am go to bed. Devotion morning with the teacher, and then I am break lunch, and then Genshin Impact. I'm usually in this time I'm usually play game Genshin Impact, and then this is my sleep. Rest. Okay, for example, my daily activities at Monday like this. So do you remember last previous lesson we want to how to setting the text full like this? So just click the text and then go to the text wrapping and go to the wrap like this. Okay, or you can drag like this into to fit in your text. Okay, and then you can and then don't forget, if you want to format this text, just select in here format line, go to the center, going again align, go to the middle. Okay, so you have a full text in your table like this. Okay, so this is our daily activities. And don't forget, I just want to, you can put anything your daily activities like this, And then don't forget to create a news. Don't forget to rename the new sheet like this. Just click the right and then rename. So this is in what is the month is October. Okay, this is our daily activities in October. Okay, and I want you to create the next sheet. It's just click add sheet, a new sheet. Okay, this is for October, November. Okay, and do it again. Click add sheet and then rename. And I want to you create December. Okay, so you have a 3 months daily activities timetable. So October, November, December. So you don't have to create again like this. You just select this and select this. Just copy, or you hold the control button and the B but control button and the C button, and then you just control V for paste, and then you repeat again in the December like this. Wait, oh no. Okay, just control C, control V in here, and control V in here. Done. And then you can arrange and set position like before. So that's all. Okay, so don't forget to doing your homework. So the homework is just you create your own daily activities, start from Monday until Sunday. Okay, that's all. And then thank you so much for your attention, and have a nice day and good luck. God bless you all. Bye.